What's going on, guys? This is Monkey Wrench TV. There's your boy Frosty. I got my boy Edgar out here with us. And as you saw, we just got done putting his AR together. I've never built a complete upper before. I always just had it sent in or had it come to me complete. I've built lowers before, but building that upper was completely new to me. So that was fun. A headache and everything all together. Here's his little baby. We're going to take some shots with it. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in our hands or in our face. So yeah, let's see how that one goes. All right, well, here's the first shot. Go for it. Uh-oh. It's not feeding. Smack it in there. Okay. First issue. Yep. Not feeding. That's weird. All right. Try rocket. There you go. Oh, wait. The bolt got stuck.
Yep.
Pull it back. Let it slam in there. There you go.
Right.
All right, here we go. First shot, guys.
Ready.
Woo! Woo! Look at that. It did not explode. And we are empty and clear.
Yep.
Look at that. It did not blow up. Functioned well. Had a little hiccup in the beginning. But what do you expect? It's freshly built. She needs to be broken in. Let's go have some more fun with this thing. All right, here we go. We got mag number 2. Not feeding?
Nope.
Pull the mag out. Tap the bottom of it on your knee. All right, now try to.
There you go.
There we go. Brand new mags. And we are clear. Whew! Man, ain't that something? To build and to have it function and not blow up in your hands. Does everyone else feel that way? I'm glad. All right, we're gonna try some of my mags. They're a little loosened up, so let's hope this feeds right. All right, all you, bud.
All right.
Woo! There we go. So we determined it is a magazine issue. His just needs to be loosened up, be ran through. The spring's probably just stiff. Just got to work it in, have it cycle. You'll be good. Love it. All right. Well, This is going to be my first 10 rounds with it. Let's hope she likes me. Woo! Wow. It's like I have a clone of my AR in my hands. Wait, basically what it is, right? Well, we have had some fun with this thing. It's performed. We haven't had any hiccups except for the magazine issue, but we determined that it was the stiff spring and she's starting to cycle just great. How do you feel about that?
Pretty good. She's ready for 9,000 rounds.
Woo! This guy is ambitious. 9,000 rounds. Woo! I don't even think I put that together collectively with all my guns, and he's over here wanting to put 1,000 rounds through her. But you know what? It should be able to handle it. We had excellent build quality from yours truly. And if there's anything that has an issue or if there's any problems with it, it was not my doing, I swear. Well, this is the end for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. We out.